Right. Hey, good morning, Terry and Kevin. Robert Holly here at Crest Honda. We're talking about greatness this morning, and I just want to say greatness is a culture. And I am blessed here to be surrounded by great people. So what I want to do is I want to talk about that new car number that you guys are talking about. And I want to do it impromptu. We're going to walk out right now. We're going to ask our people what number we need to get to have a great new car month. I think you're going to like what you see, but I don't know. We'll have to find out. Follow me. Good morning. What's up? So how many new cars do we need to sell this month to be great? 214. How many? 214. 214. Okay. What's this there behind us? What's this? Let's check this out. Come on in and check this out. How many more do we need?
136.
136. So what happens when somebody sells a car?
Tear it down.
Oh, we'll tear it down. We're going to hit this 214 number?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Come on. Let's roll. Morning, Charles. What's going on, man? I see. Good to see you.
Having a day so far? So far,
And
sir.
how many new cars do we need to sell this month to have a great new car month?
214.
214?
Yes, sir.
How many we got left to sell?
About 140. No glasses, sir.
136.
136.
We gonna do that?
Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is our receptionist. I have no idea if she's going to know what we're doing or not, but we'll find out. Come on. Good morning. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Huh? Let me ask you a question. How many new cars we got to sell this month?
132.
132 more?
Oh, I don't know how many more.
Okay.
I can't see that over the cars.
What's up there?
Big, huge numbers.
These two numbers, what do they represent?
How many cars we have to sell
There
this
you
month?
go. Good job. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for calling Crest Honda.
There's Donna. Hi, Donna.
Hello!
David Galloway. Can I borrow you just for a minute? Can I borrow you just for a minute? How many new cars do you sell this month?
How many new cars?
You have to have a great month. How many new cars do we need to sell?
Everyone that's on the board.
Right. How many do we need to sell? You remember the total?
214.
214. That's what I'm looking for. Thanks. Good job. High five, baby.
My number's got it.
All right. Come on. Follow me. Michael Carter right here. Michael Carter, how many new cars do we need to sell this month to have a great month?
214.
214. How many more we got to go, you know?
140 something.
147. You're close, you're close. We're down to 136.
Are we filming again?
So, Minchie, how many new cars we need to sell this month to have a great month?
214, sir.
How many we got to go?
136.
136. Good job. Thank you. It's a wrap.